This is a lovely recipe for both children and grown-ups. Out of these mentioned ingredients, we can make 12 muffins. First, we need to beat whipping cream until it forms peaks. Then combine cocoa powder into this and set aside. Now get a separate bowl and beat eggs, sugar, salt and vanilla in it. Now we need to gradually add this egg mixture into our prepared whipping cream mixture. Then we can mix baking powder with flour and gradually add this also to the egg mixture. Finally add chocolate chunks and combine well. Now place cupcake liners on the muffin tray and fill them with the batter. We can add some more chocolate chunks on top of the muffins. After that, we can bake these muffins around 20 minutes under 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. These easy, simple and delicious muffins are a great snack for your tea time. I have uploaded some photos of this recipe in my dailylife.lk site. Hope you will have a look at them, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.